Oh, dug in. Oh no! Finally we're back to do a sleepover in this shelter, but we had a day last week of crazy rain and I'm seeing some very unsettling signs. We got sand deposited where it wasn't before. It's like 3 inches of sand here. More sand. So this could be a video about how my shelter got destroyed. I honestly don't know yet. Are you kidding me? There's even sand up here now. That's like 5 feet higher than the river level. This doesn't look good. Oh, I see something. I think it's intact. Look at my bridge. My bridge is still there. That's a well-built bridge. Oh, wow, look at this. That's crazy. How far did it make it? Yep, there's sand in here too. And some pine needles. The walls are still holding together. No. Wow. It made it inside. There's more pine needles in here on the floor. Okay, so we will get a sleepover. That was lucky. That was very lucky. We definitely came up to floor level. Let's turn a negative into a positive. And now it's a beach house. That's better. Alright, let's sort this bridge out. That's crazy. And we're back. What are you digging at, you head case? Get up. Stop digging holes. Aha! Grass. I'd prefer hay, but grass will have to do. Now, gotta remember where I left all these piles. Kinda hard to see. There's another one. Oh, anywhere else? There's one. I hope that's enough. And we have a sewing needle. The hard part is getting this started, and it gets easier each time. You can see it starting to take shape now. What could it be though? What is Paddy making? No, it wasn't a hat. I fooled you. Did you know I was making a bed? One sturdy bed. Not yet, buddy. One more thing. This will hopefully drive out any bugs or ticks that are in here. They're probably gone by now. Woo! We'll leave that for a few minutes. Two done. Now, right there. Look at that for a bed. Look at that. Yes. Good boy. Get in there. Yes. Smooth. I love it when it works just the way I planned in my head. That's going to be for my bed. That's good and sturdy now. I'm sure you can guess what it is by now. I've seen a few, but I've never made one. Oh, I hope these measurements are right. Peg. Yes! still test. I may have got the angles a little bit wrong. Don't break. Nope, I'm happy with that. Hey, buddy. Are you hungry? Let's test out our cooking system. We're both hungry. Paddy and Goji's favourite today. Pork chops. Yum yum yum. Turn up the heat. Oh yes. Hold on, we just discovered something here. It's automatic. Brilliant. Good idea, Goji. Now I know this looks a bit odd. It's because it is. Pineapple? Come on, keep spinning. Pineapple. You'll never know unless you try it. Amazing. And they look amazing if I do say so myself. Wow, they go well together. They go very well together. Let's get Goji's on. Oh, they smell so good. Here, the smell. They smell good. Want to do a little training exercise. We're going to play hide the tree. Come. Down. Stay. There's one right there. He's watching me. Go get it. Here. That's a good boy. Good job. Right, we better test my bed out because I still don't know if it's going to take my weight. I'm better off finding out now while it's still bright. I think this is going to break. Oh, it's that crappy rope I don't trust. Oh no! Turns out that bit of wood was rotten. Damn it! And that's why we tested it now before it's dark. Ugh. How did I miss that trick? See, not everything goes perfectly for me. Right, we're on to the backup plan. I'm going to get some logs underneath. I wasn't expecting that to break in half. I was expecting the rope to break. Oh, it's all over the place. Okay, the backup plan has failed. It's okay. We have another hour of daylight left. How am I gonna do this? Up you go. Just shove the piece through the wall. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was a lot of effort. I'm not gonna lie, it could break again. Okay, you ready for another laugh? I do not trust this at all. Oh, please don't break again. We're actually in. And it's actually very comfortable. As long as it doesn't break. There's a possibility I'll wake up lying on the ground. Milky Way tonight. Can I burn it? No, we're okay. That was a close one. I don't actually know what this is yet. It's kind of a surprise. Could be a pear? A pear and almond. Oh yes. And everybody knows Goji likes cake. So much that he still doesn't chew cake. Oh, prove me wrong and chew it. How did you swallow that? It was huge. What if I give you a small piece? How did you need to choke on that piece? Daft easy. It's getting chilly. I think we're going to move into the porch. Oh, that's better. Time to call it a night, folks. I have a funny feeling I'm going to end up on the ground in the middle of the night when this breaks. Fingers crossed. Well, he's in. Under the bed storage too. See you, Goji. Where are you sneaking off to? I heard you. Back into bed. He's a rascal. Into your bed. Good morning. Not in there, I'm here, you Wally. Did you smell the sausages? Well, the bed held up all night. Oh, don't have the sausages. Spin. Quite like the hanging bed system. I think I'll make another one of them. Except better this time. One that won't break. Okay, let's show everyone your magic trick. Abracadabra. Good lad, he's chewing his food. Come on up here. Come on. He used to swallow these in one. Good boy. Yum. That's a clever dog. He's getting older and wiser. That's it for another video, folks. Hope you enjoyed this one. We'll see us all next Friday for a brand new video. Let's tidy up, buddy. Yes. See you, folks.